When the finishing work is complete, but protection still needs to make a real difference, you need a product capable of combining gloss and surface protection. Marine XP-900 polymer spray sealant was created exactly for this purpose. Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Bruciaferri, Field Test Engineer at RUPES. Last year, we launched our new marine line dedicated to the boating industry, and today I'm here to officially introduce Marine XP-900, the last of the 6 products in the marine range, developed to deliver protection, gloss and a smooth hydrophobic finish on marine surfaces most exposed to external agents. Marine XP-900 is a polymer spray sealant designed to protect boats from UV rays and other external agents. It is a versatile solution developed to provide up to 3 months of protection and to work safely on Gelcoat, metal, glass, vinyl and painted surfaces. This sealant excels as a final protection step because it combines UV protection, high gloss and a smooth finish that makes the surface easier to clean. Its exclusive formula, based on polymer sealant and nanoparticles, also improves color depth, optical clarity and water beading, delivering an immediately visible aesthetic result. Marine XP-900 is available in the 500 ml format. It stands out for its simple and fast application thanks to the practical spray-on, wipe-off system. This allows the product to be applied easily, the protection to be spread evenly, and a glossy, sleek finish to be achieved quickly, making it ideal for both full treatments and more targeted applications. For optimal results, Marine XP-900 can be reapplied every 1-3 months or used as a topper to extend the durability of the protection. We recommend using our white microfiber cloths made with premium dual fiber construction to ensure maximum effectiveness and versatility. It is important to remember that its use is not recommended in environments where paint is being applied. Marine XP-900 is therefore the RUPES solution designed for those who need a spray sealant capable of combining protection, gloss and ease of use, even in the most demanding marine conditions. It is an ideal product for anyone who wants to preserve the achieved result for longer, improve the appearance of the surface and simplify routine boat maintenance. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next videos. Ciao! And one more thing, don't forget to download the RUPES app, where you can find the marine brochure and much more. The app is available on the Play Store and the App Store. Download it now. Ciao!